Adesha, these two members who have been obstructing the proceedings of the House Adesha by blocking the cameras, Sri B. Siva Prasad Reddy, Sri Das Dadsetti Ramalingeswara alias Raja Adesha. వీళ్ళిద్దరిని కూడా 1 day సస్పెండ్ చేయవలసిందిగా కోరుతున్నాను.
Yes. Motion moved. The question is that the members be suspended from the service of the House for 2 days. Those who are for the motion, please say aye. Those who are against, please say no. Ayes have it. The motion is carried and the following members are suspended from the service of the House for 2 days. They are 1. Mr. B. Siva Prasad Reddy, 2nd C. D. Ramalingeswara alias Raja. The mentioned members, please leave the House. The mentioned members, please leave the House.